It is very helpful to us. There are so much more learning. Thank you for being our lecturer in our seminar. Thank you so much.
Learn how to become a good leader and how to improve, especially on how we can handle our team member, yung mga bagay na dapat pa namin i-improve regarding our personality presence, yung appearance namin.
It opened my eyes to become a better leader, not just in skills, but in character. It really inspired me to grow in my leadership while holding on the core values that matter most, like integrity, respect, and empathy. I feel more motivated to lead with my purpose because of her guidance. Thank you, Ms. Tony.
What I love about Ms. Tony's training is how Ms. Tony explained how important to become a good leader and support the mission and vision of the company.
Very engaging. We learned so much and gained valuable insights that I can already see applying in my work, especially in contributing to the success of AUII. May you continue to inspire others to shine with their own radiance. Thank you, Ma'am Tony.
I was able to gain additional and more knowledge with respect to leadership, business communications, and correspondence, as well as moral values and business etiquette. Truly, I could say it very impressive. Thank you very much.